adhesive vinyl. Ooh, yeah. What you think? What you think? What you think? Okay, I'm near the edge of this wall, and now I need an exact cutout for my vinyl. And I'm using regular paper. It doesn't have to be a roll of paper. It can be any old paper you have. Just line it up. Trace it with your marker. Okay, I know mine needs to go this far out. Now you cut this out and line it up with your tile. Remember when you are cutting your tiles along the edges, because obviously this big size won't fit here. The pattern repeats. It does matter where you cut it. So now that I made my little paper template, I want it to be here on this side. The part that I'm going to cut out has to be this half. It can't be on this other edge, or it will not continue the pattern correctly. This is what I ended up with. This is a bit of a trickier spot. So, using this paper, I line it up. And I like that you can press into the crevices and it leaves an indentation of where to cut. Always double check your lines. When I put it down, this was my original line that I had traced and I was mistaken. It has to be that much further back. So now I know when I cut, I'm going to cut along that further outline. Always give a tiny bit of room for grace. If you have to cut further afterward, it's better to do a little extra cut than be a little too short. The way it all lines up really snug right into the crevice. And I'm just adding this little extra piece here. Now with the little tape, I have a perfect example of how to cut my next tile. So for this piece, I've made this napkin outline, and I will do a light tracing with a washable marker so that after I cut it out, I can clean it right off. And I am using very thin scissors. Truth. Oh yes, it's a good fit.